Are you getting a P0420 error code? This video is going to show you 3 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. It means that your catalyst system efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 1, indicating that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently. As a result, the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: exhaust leaks, fuel injector leaks, damaged oxygen sensor wiring, faulty engine coolant temperature sensor, faulty catalytic converter. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method 1. Use a catalytic converter cleaner. Use a cleaner of your choice. Simply pour the cleaner into the gas tank. Then, you can drive at least 150 miles. Method 2. Wash the catalytic converter. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Then take a bucket and put some water and detergent in it. Put the catalytic converter into the solution and soak it for 10 to 12 hours to remove all the crud inside it. Now you see it looks clear and neat. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter and P0420 by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix the P0420 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates.